Hello, this is Johnny from Dalton Hyundai. I'm going to show you guys the light settings on the 2026 Kona. All right, everyone, for you to get to your light settings, you're going to swipe left, you're going to go to setup, you're going to go to vehicle, you're going to go to lights. Then here you have your one touch turn signal, which basically when you slightly tap the signal like this, it'll do it 3 flashes, or you can have it up to 7 flashes. If you see here, you have your headlight delay, which meaning when you turn out the vehicle, when you get out, you're gonna see the lights stay on for about 15 seconds. You have high beam assist, which basically assists in reducing the high beam glare, which affects drivers' oncoming vehicles from the opposite from where you're going from. You have interior lights always on, which all the interior lights are gonna stay on, which you can turn off here if you like. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, drop it below in the comments.